Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Toyota 4Runner SR5. This is a 7-passenger 4-door SUV in classic silver. Under the hood you'll find a 4-liter V6 riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, running boards, turn signals on the side mirrors, and roof rails. But now why don't we hop inside this 4Runner and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door you do have some nice storage space. Above it you have this nice little shelf to grab onto. Power windows locks. Next to the door you do have your power mirrors as well as your lighting options. Equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating, and on the bottom here you have your power seating adjustment buttons. But now let's hop inside. We're going to start this 4Runner up and then move on to the steering wheel. On the left side you have these arrows, and this cluster will help you navigate through your your entertainment display. It's located in the center there. You also have your volume options below it. On the right you have your hands-free calling, voice recognition system, and this display button which allows you to navigate through your multi-information display right there. And just to show you, this 4Runner has 64,245 kilometers on it. Lastly, behind the wheel is your cruise control. Moving on to our screen here, we're on home. We got a split screen going on with audio and whatever device you might have connected, and with the navigation map. You can press that and that'll enlarge to full screen. Go ahead and press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options as well as a choice between USB auxiliary and Bluetooth. 4Runner has a backup camera with those guidelines as well. Moving down to our climate control system, nice and simple. You got these nice turning dials. Underneath you have some storage compartments, USB and auxiliary, and your 12-volt outlet. Cup holder. Next to the shifter you have this little storage space perhaps for your phone, another cup holder, and next to that you have your driver and passenger heated seats. Center console features a 12-volt outlet and lots of storage space. Lastly, we're going to look in the glove box button that'll pop down. Lots of room in here as well, but now let's just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door you have some storage just like the driver's side door, as well as this little shelf. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black cloth seating. Behind the two front seats you do have these nice little pockets for some extra storage. And then in here, if we pull that down, you got a little armrest, and press that button, that'll give you access to two cup holders right in the end there. And lastly, these seats do fold down. Pull that lever up and that'll give you access to the third row seating. So to open up, all you got to do is just press this button right underneath here. Right now we have the third row seating that is up. They do go down. Just pull these up and the headrest will pop down. Easy as that. Plenty of cargo space in this 4Runner. We do have some storage compartments and cup holders for when those seats are up. Of course, the second row seating does go down as well, and that'll provide some extra bit of cargo space. So to close up, we got these handles on both sides. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2016 Toyota 4Runner. Once again, some of those great interior features include your 7-passenger leather seating, Bluetooth audio, backup camera, and navigation. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.